Courthouse lights were fading low. The marble steps were cold. The tired man held a case file close, with records worn and old.
He came with no anger, no sword in his hand, just truth in a folder and dust from the land. They told him keep quiet, stay out of the way. But somewhere in silence a melody arose.
One page,
one name,
one oath,
one flame.
the night remembered why justice came. Then a nightingale sang at the courthouse, soft as a prayer in the air.
The law woke up from the shadows, and truth found a voice on the stairs.
No crown,
No chain,
no chain,
no king,
no king above us.
no fear when the people stand square.
When the record was open and the darkness was broken, a nightingale sang at the courthouse there. The files had been buried, the answers delayed. The powerful whispered, the working man prayed. But ink has a memory, and paper can sing. One lawful question can trouble a king.
Ask the duty,
Mark the denial,
climb the chain,
mile by mile.
hold the line.
Let the truth declare
Justice still has music there.
Then a nightingale sang at the courthouse, soft as a prayer in the air.
The law woke up from the shadows, and truth found a voice on the stairs.
No crown,
No chain,
no chain,
no chain,
no king above us.
no fear when the people stand square.
When the record was open and the darkness was broken, a nightingale sang at the courthouse there. A revolution can be gentle,
A battle can be a fight,
a checkmate can be one question asked.
the lawful way with style.
The founders whispered through the night,
Let the people hold the flame,
and every sealed up lie began
to tremble at its name.
Then a nightingale sang at the courthouse,
Clear as a bell in the air.
the law stood tall
From the shadows,
and hope
found a home on the stairs.
no crown,
No crown,
no chain,
no chain,
no king above us.
broken. The nightingale sang at the courthouse there. Just law, just truth, just records laid bare. And the nightingale